Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add bullet points to your LinkedIn profile. So it is very simple. Go right here to billiapp.com, and here you have emoji or text symbol bullet points. Basically, just click on the one that you like, so let's say this one, and it will copy to your clipboard automatically. Go back to LinkedIn, click on Add Profile section. By the way, if you are not on your profile, then go over here and then View Profile. Then Add Profile section, Add About, and use Command V or Control V if you are on Windows to paste your bullet point. Then write your text, press Enter, and go over here, choose new one, let's say this one, and basically paste it. It's really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.